Mac 35, back from the dead. May not be very pretty on the outside, but the inside, the tank, the cylinder are absolutely pristine. And this is more from neglect than abuse. Runs well. Let me get this around here. And almost hit the button. Here's the other side of the old gal. A few improvements. Managed to find a air filter for it. So pretty hard to find. A different bar on there. And the more I use it, the better she runs. Again, like most, I'm going to run a tank of fuel through it, make it nice and pretty. And I got to get a screen for there. And let me see if this is the one. Yeah. You know, it's on the bottom of here. I did a little improvisation. There was a hole in the tank. Put a bolt and an O-ring and stuff to hold that together. I mean, it's holding for now, for the most part. But yeah, I can replace the bottom part of the tank. Overall, pretty satisfied with it. Do a few improvements, a little paint and pretty, get her back to her old glory. Thanks for watching.